Guys, Rabbit Girl here again with another video. Well, today it's really snowy, and there was a big like storm of snow here in Klamath Falls, Oregon, in Klamath Basin, Oregon, and so right now we're just cleaning the snow. We already went out and just got some food and stuff like that, but I was gonna do a driving video of me driving in snow, but I couldn't because earlier it was really like a snowstorm, like really heavy, so I couldn't really record because you can't really see nothing because in the morning it was so cloudy you couldn't see nothing. And so right now we're just cleaning here outside and show you the snow. So hope you like this video and hope you guys enjoy. So this is how it looks right now. There's my mom there. She's cleaning, shoveling some snow. She's making a path. I did this path right here, so it looks pretty clean. But I'm gonna show you how deep this snow actually is. Like, it's really deep. I'm not sure. See, I'm gonna get in here. Watch. It's really, really deep. Watch. It's really deep, like my whole feet, like everything. My whole, see, that's how deep this snow is. It's really, really deep. Like right here is even more deep, but it is actually really, really deep. This is my mom right here. She's shoveling some snow. So the snow is beautiful, but it's just sometimes it gets on the nerves when driving and stuff. So this is the car is clean because we just, like I said, we just got out and did some shopping and stuff. But it's pretty clean. There's no snow instead in the on the top and stuff. But yeah, this is how tall. It's actually like, I don't know. I'm not sure how tall it is, but it's really, really tall. It's like, I can say at least 12 inches tall. I think it is. It's a lot. I'm actually not inches, like it's a lot. It's a lot more than 12 inches. It's like, I don't even know. But it's a lot of snow. I'm gonna show you the colony of the rabbits if I come faster here. Ooh, it's really deep. Look at that. Look at the shovel right there inside. It's really deep. Let's just go in there. See if I fall down. Actually, nah, I'm not going in there. It's really deep in there. Look at them. It's really, really deep in there. And we're even getting more snow right now. I'm not sure you can see that. There's more snow coming down. We're gonna go in here, this path that I did. I'm gonna show you colony. See if I can open this. It's so hard. Okay, here we go. Alright, so we're in here. This is the pigeons. They are gone. But this is their the little setup. And only that one is open because I let it open. And I can't shut it now because the snow is hard in there. But over here, let's go check over here. Alrighty. Sorry guys, this is, bad angles on the camera, but, there's snow on my face right now. It's so windy. It's windy. But this is the colony of the rabbits. See how it is so bad? Actually, the rabbits, she's not right here right now, but she's under the house. Actually, she made a little hole in there and she went in there. I was gonna come clean it, but I couldn't because there was just too much noise in here. So what I did, I wanna get her. I wanna put her in here because it's really clean in here, but I just can't find her. But by the time I saw her, but I didn't caught her because I don't know if she may get out from there. I don't know. But now you can see the wind. My camera's getting wet, so I'm trying to hurry up this video. Here we're going out here. Look at the car. That's not mine. It's a lot windy. So this is how it is in the Homestead, Klamath Falls, Oregon. Really bad storm and everything in here. So there's more snow coming down, and that's how it is right now here in the Homestead. Rabbitry girl here. Oh, look at my head. Full of snow. This is pretty much it, guys. I hope you liked this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Here in Klamath Falls is ugly. So have a good day, awesome day, and like always, God bless. Goodbye. Have a good day. If there's snow out there, drive safe. I'm kidding. But have a good day, guys, and see you guys later. God bless.